What's going on, everyone? It's Mo here with Auto Addict. Thank you for tuning in. I have right with me a West Coast Camaro Car Club member. This is Edgar's 6th gen build. We're gonna go ahead and show you guys how to install a 1LE wing and go over all the details from the start to finish. Alright guys, so first thing I like to start out with is by popping off the trunk, and then when I open up the trunk I see this liner over here. All these clips, as you can see on the liner, must be removed, also with this trunk latch clip. So let's go ahead and start removing them and get started with the trunk wing removal. Alright guys, so I got all the clips removed with the trunk plastic latch removed as well. Now the next part is, all we have to do is just remove it. So just pull it out, and then the safety trunk opener right here, you pull that out with it too, and it should easily come out with no heavy pressure or anything. Very easy. Alright guys, so after we remove the trunk liner, we have 6 screws that we must remove. We got 2 on the passenger side, 2 on the driver's side, and you got 2 right underneath the trunk latch adapter. So this is gonna be a little tight spot. These are very easy to remove. I'll show you guys what my best way is to do it when you get to that tight spot, so you guys can get an easy access and remove those screws. Let's go ahead and remove those screws and get this swing off. Alright guys, so one of the reasons why I tilted the trunk while I was taking out those screws on the sides, we've actually made a mistake before when we dropped the screws. So the best way is, if your socket is not magnetic or anything, I like to kind of, you know, pull down the trunk a little bit where it's kind of nice and even, and when I take it out, I slowly take it out where it's not hitting the trunk circle over here. So that's probably one of my best ways if your sockets on the drill is not magnetic. If it is magnetic, it should be easy. Just pull it out and you should be easy to go. Alright guys, so for the middle screws, there's so many ways that you can actually do it by taking off the screws. One of the things I like to do is I like to take this extension off and just go ahead and put it back to its regular size. I like to tilt it at an angle for the first one. Actually, the first one is not that hard. I could just do it flat, but the other one, which is the top one right by the 3rd brake light, I like to get it at an angle and somewhat get it loose, and by the time it's loose and nice, I just go ahead and squeeze my fingers in there and then unscrew the screw. That's my best way that I like to do it when I'm comfortably. If you guys have other ways, let us know too in the comments. We'll be more than happy to, you know, get to know other ways of taking those middle screws. Alright guys, so I have the wing fully removed right now. A couple things about this wing fitment wise. If you have an LT or an RS Camaro, you would have to make the holes to fit the ZL1 1LE style holes. But if you have the SS and up Camaro model, it should be okay. Everything should line up OEM, nothing crazy where you have to make any holes. So it's very important to know, if you have an LT, an RS, it will not fit unless you make your own screws. And then if you have the SS and up, it should be okay. Just taking out everything that's stock and putting the wing right back into the trunk. Alright guys, so after we remove the wing from our client's car, we're gonna go ahead and add our new wing that will be available on our website very soon. This is the one-piece full-on carbon made by Anderson. We're very happy to be introducing this new product. One of the unique things about this product is you can see everything is a one piece ready to go. So there's no hardware that needs to be attached to this. A lot of the wings that we used to sell, we would actually send hardware. This option will be available only in carbon. If you get it in matte or gloss black with us, we would have to send you the one where the winglets are off, the legs are off, so you guys have to put on the hardware with them. But the beauty about this and the advantage is it's ready to go. We'll ship it out as is and ready to install. And another point, don't forget, if you have the SS and up Camaro, you don't have to worry about anything where you gotta make the holes. Anything below the SS model, for example the RS or the LT, you would definitely have to measure and take the exact holes to fit this wing. Alright guys, let's get to this install. We're very excited to put it on this Camaro, so show you guys the final product and a look on it. Alright guys, there you guys have it. I just finished putting everything back. It's very simple. The way we took off the screws is pretty much the way you're gonna put on those screws on this wing. Pretty much reverse engineer what we did. So there you guys have it. I love the stance on it. First of all, Fitment is amazing. When we put it on there, you might have to like just kind of force the wing in there so it can fit nice and tight. Let's go ahead and take it outside so you guys can see it out in the sun a little bit, see how the carbon pops out with this car. This Camaro itself actually was Andersoned out. As you see, it has a diffuser, the side skirts, it has the hood. So it's a perfect match, and also it got the 1LE replica wheels. So let's go ahead and take it outside, show you guys the highlights, and we'll get back to you guys after that. Alright guys, so one of the things that we'd like to highlight on this Camaro, this build, like I said earlier, it does have a lot of Anderson components that's in carbon. This is the Copa hood. It's a very high aggressive hood. We challenge a lot of our clients who purchase it to see how their driving is, but it gives it that mean aggressive look that it deserves. Down on the bottom as you go, you got the ZL1 side rockers in carbon as well from Anderson. All these stuff was actually purchased and installed by us, so if you guys are interested to get the same products, let us know. We'll link everything underneath in the comments so you guys can look at them at the website. Alright guys, so Edgar right here, West Coast Camaro's Car Club member, also got the rear diffuser in full-on carbon by Anderson. Was definitely a challenging product to install, but it's definitely something that we can do, help you guys out with that. And just completes that full-on aero kit all around with the hood, got the bumper, and then the side skirts and the diffuser. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up. Make sure you also subscribe to our channel. We are having a lot of content that we're going to post about the Camaro 6th Gen, especially for the 19 and 20 Camaros. Make sure you turn on that bell notification so you guys are alerted right away when we post a video. We're very excited to be launching this 1LE wing. Stay tuned for all the information. We're going to take pictures right now, highlight the whole car, and let's move forward with this build. All right guys, I got to get going. Let's move forward, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Boom. Trunk liner, we have six. I almost said the other word. God, 6. That's what I say. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Alright guys, so after remove, God. Let's go ahead and take it outside so we can show you guys in the sun how the carbon projects.
It predicts the weather.
It predicts the weather, how cold it is, huh? OEM holes and using the hardware that we provide with this wing. Alright guys, I hope you guys like those wheels. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and put on that ring.
Put that ring on it.
What is it? Ring notification?